I was like, damn.
I seriously.
What did you cook?
Oh, wait, whoa. Tell me you didn't do that. I made chicken. Don't hate.
Bro!
You just love that jacket, that little vest thing, don't you?
Bro!
Hey.
Bro! What did you cook?
Oh, wait, whoa. How long were you here?
I think this is day 4.
Oh, wait, whoa. Tell me you didn't do that. Oh, wait, whoa. Yeah. I'm hungry.
You look like brokenhearted, dude.
Yeah. What are you laughing about? You look like a little Fortnite character. What are you laughing about?
Bro!
You look like a little Fortnite character. No, I'm sad.
Are you okay? Are you gonna cry? You look like brokenhearted, dude. What did you cook?
Don't hate. Don't hate. What are you laughing about?
The big cannon?
I made chicken. No, I'm sad.
The big cannon?
Don't hate. Oh, wait, whoa. I made chicken. Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you gonna cry?
I made chicken. Why is what are you laughing about? I'm hungry. What's the deal?
You look like brokenhearted, dude. I gave you a free wrap.
Boots. I heard your stomach go. Ah.
Bro!
I made chicken. Boots. How long were you here?
I think this is day 4.
You filmed all of this?
Yes.
Oh, wait, whoa.
Bro!
Yeah.
Eyes on the road.
Yeah.
You look like brokenhearted, dude.
What's the deal?
Eyes on the road.
I made chicken.
Bro!
What did you just say? You were hungry. I made chicken. Don't you eat it. Yeah. Oh, wait, whoa. I made chicken. Damn. I heard your stomach go. Ah. What did you just say? You were hungry. I made chicken. Don't you eat it. I got lightheaded. Yeah. What are you laughing about? What are you laughing about? Yeah, I got lightheaded, to be honest with you. Oh no, this is left, we're right. That doesn't make no sense. I made chicken.
No, hold it down, hold it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made chicken.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
What are you laughing about? Oh! Can I finish? Never mind, I'm not saying it anymore. I made freaking chicken. You said you don't like chicken. You like freaking chicken.
I like
chicken.
Yeah, but I don't mess with
freaking chicken.
I mean, yeah, because what I do like is
chicken.
So expensive. I'm not gonna buy a
freaking chicken
for $1,500.
Oh! Oh, by the way, we're getting food now. Oh!
Hey, can I have a
freaking chicken?
Did you say yeah?
He said fatty. Everything else. He said fatty.
Making no sense.
Fatty.
And a small
chicken. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying. Boots just called me a chicken. Yeah. Me, dude. I literally like smashed this bad chicken.
She was a bad
chicken. She was bad, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What are you laughing about? Anyways, tonight, dude, I'm gonna get freaking chicken. And then there's this chicken, Erica. I seriously. What are you laughing about? And you keep drinking my drink.
I did, and I will. Bro! Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Boots did a prank on me. That was a funny prank.
What did you cook?
Don't you eat it. I made chicken. Okay. You look like a little Fortnite character.
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, pound it.
Yeah, effing A, dude.